Hello and welcome to the Facebook page tutorials. Today we are going to start with the topic how to create a Facebook page. Facebook has become an indispensable part of the society these days. It's not only an interactive place but also a platform for businesses, brands, celebrities, non-profit organizations and more to interact with the consumers and the wider audience of online users. Anyone who is having a Facebook account can create a Facebook page within minutes, and it's free and easy. And above all, you do not have to be a web designer or a programmer, marketing expert to create this irresistible Facebook page. But before proceeding further, let's discuss what is the basic difference between a profile and a Facebook page. Now, as can be easily seen by these words, a profile is for personal use and a page is for commercial use, which can be used by the companies, local business vendors, or a particular community. To view your profile and its details, a person must send you a friend request, as you already know, and then only he or she will be allowed to see the information you have uploaded. Also, the profile has options like chat and gaming. Whereas people can easily access your page, they do not need to know you personally. They just need to like your page and they will get all the information and updates of your page. To create a profile, you must have to sign up for Facebook from the home page with a personal email address, entering your personal information, not the information of your company. Pages are different as well as in the sense they must be created for an existing account, and different individual people who have their own profiles are assigned as admins. But we should keep in mind that a person who signs up for a Facebook has one account with login information, whereas each account can have one personal profile and manage multiple pages. So that was a theoretical knowledge about what is the difference between a profile and a page. Now let's move forward how to create a page on Facebook. Go to the Facebook and at the bottom you will find a link, create a page. Now here you can choose any one of these 6 categories for your page: local business or place, company, organization or institution, brand or product, artist, band or public figures, entertainment, cause or community. Also, keep in mind that you can change the category or the name later on if needed. But now a question arises. What category should I choose? Because one of the most common mistakes people make when attempting to market on Facebook is selecting the wrong page type. Facebook offers a wide range of business page types, and using each of them correctly will result in a greater chance of success. Let's take a look in each category in detail. But before proceeding further, one thing to be kept in mind is that you should have a Facebook account from which you should log in. So let's enter the Facebook details. Here I am entering the ID and the password of my account. Now the first category is local business or place, which offers a set of services or products to your customers within a limited geographical region. In this category, you get some specific fields to fill out the relevant information, like you can choose a category, again the business or the place name, street, city, zip code, phone. Even you can enter the options like open hours, parking options, so that there is the ability for your visitors to check in the Facebook page. Remember, it's very important to fill in the accurate details in order to maximize your reach among the customers. Now, the next category is of company organizations. This type of Facebook page is most ideal match for a company, organization or institution with more than one physical address. Next is brand or products. It is dedicated to the brands or products being sold through more than one seller or website. But what makes this option different from the company organization is a company organization page has brands or products that are sold by the same company at different locations. Whereas in the brand or product option, the products are sold by the different companies with different websites. Next is the artist, band or public figure. As the name suggests, this category is dedicated to the celebrity fan page. Next comes the entertainment. Now this page type is dedicated to the entertainment industry. For example, if you are an author and your aim is to promote your upcoming book on Facebook, entertainment is the most suitable option to promote your book. And now the last is cause or community. If you are willing to encourage people to join a social or a global cause and run a movement on Facebook, select this page type. Now that was all about the 6 categories of the pages on Facebook. Remember, selecting the correct Facebook page type is the first step to success in the Facebook marketing. Now, let's start creating a new Facebook page. Here, suppose I select the type company, organization or institution for my page. Then we have to choose a category for our page. Like here, I'm selecting health and beauty. So it's health and beauty. Now I have to give a company name. Suppose here I am giving the company name Wellness and Beauty, suppose. So Wellness and Beauty. And click on Get Started. Following the category selection, the next setup screen will ask for a descriptive sentence about your page. Here, you have 155 characters to describe your page, which appears near the top of your Facebook page. Also here, you can specify the URL of the website or the Facebook URL. But in some cases, might be, Facebook will ask you to reach 25 fans before unlock a custom Facebook URL. Now suppose here I am giving the description, a small description like my beauty and wellness mantra for a healthy lifestyle. Now this is just an example I am taking. Lifestyle. Let me click that. And the URL of my website say wellnessbeauty.com. Now that's just an example which I am using. And then click on Save the Information. Then it will ask for a profile picture of your page. A profile picture appears as your icon every time you publish anything. So it is suggested to upload main profile picture icon for your page like a logo, a photo of a store or a picture of a person. And one more thing, square shaped pictures are considered to be the best profile pictures on Facebook. Now you have 2 options here to upload a profile picture from the computer and second to import it from the website. Here I'm selecting a picture from my computer. Suppose I can select any picture. Here I select my own picture. Now click on Next. Then on the next screen, it will ask for the audience you prefer for your page. You can specify the location, preferred age groups. Now here, let me select the age group that is between 18 to 40. Now you can select the gender. Let me select women. Then you can also prefer the audience according to the interest. Suppose I prefer the audience who have interest in fitness and wellness. So I'll click on fitness and wellness, as my business is related to beauty and wellness. And then click on physical exercise. And then I'll click on save. Now we can see I have my page, a new Facebook page, Wellness and Beauty. In future, if we publish anything, it will appear here on this page. So, this was all about how to create a Facebook page and its utility.